Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing question 23 from the programming challenge, and let's get on to it. Alright, so question 23 asks the user to type in their first line of a code and display the length of the string with no spaces. And then it asks the user to enter the starting number and the ending number and display the section of the text. So this question may seem or look overwhelming at first. However, it's not a difficult task to do. I'll show you in a minute how. Alright, so first let's get an user input saying quote is equals to input of please enter a code. Alright, and then after they enter the code, we want to remove all the spaces and find the length of the code. Now if you guys have been following up with the videos, you would notice that in question 22 we did find the length as well as replace all the spaces of the text, and we're going to copy the code and paste it over here, but instead we're going to say quote length. Alright, we are going to say quote length. Alright, now I'm going to brief you what it does, right? So first of all, it takes the code input, alright, the variable code, and then says dot replace the whatever space is present with a no space. So we discussed dot replace last video, and all it does is that takes something which is in the text and replaces it with this value over here. So we're gonna say that we take the code and then we replace the spaces in the code to a no space. Therefore we get rid of all the spaces. And then finally, I think you guys should know what the len does. It finds the length of the whatever text or whatever string you put inside, and so it's going to find the length of the non-spaced code, and therefore it's the code length. Alright, now the thing which looks overwhelming, finding a section of code and basically getting the input and output from the user, right, from where to start or where to end. So let's say start, alright, is equals to int first of all, then input of enter the starting number, and then we're gonna say end equals to int of input enter ending number. Alright, and then once we have that, we print quote, and then we put the special square braces, alright, to notify that we are trying to access something through a string kind of array kind of style. Alright, we'll discuss what is arrays in the upcoming videos. So, and then we say start colon end. So what it does that, strat, alright, start colon end. Alright, so what it does is that it says, okay, go to quote, or in fact go to quote length, okay, quote length with no spaces, and then start from this section over here and end in this section. Now remember, Python starts from 0, so it goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so let's run this and check it out. So my famous quote is, life is what you make it. Alright, enter a starting number. So let's say 4, and ending number, let's say 9. Oops, what did we do wrong over here? Line 21. Alright guys, I found out what the error was. Basically, we were trying to identify the start and stop or identify the section of a code in an int. However, we don't want that, right? So, and plus we don't want the length of the code. Therefore, we can just say code of no space equals just replacing the spaces with no space, and then we can say quote of no space, and that should work perfectly fine. So please enter a code. Quote life is what you make it. Then 4 ending 9, and there we go.